At Simian International, we believe in transparency, quality, and trust. Hello and welcome. Here is how you can verify your Simian card or certificate in just a few simple steps. Visit our official website, simianinternational.com. Once you're on the home page, look at the top menu and click on Verification. You'll see various options for different certifications under Simian. Click on the button that says Verify Simian Certificate. A new tab will open. Here, enter your certificate number and last name. For example, if your name is Manoj Singh, enter Singh as your last name. If your name is Manoj Singh Yadav, then your last name will be Yadav. Once you've entered the details, click on Verify. You'll now see the full details of the course you've completed with Simian. Every certificate we issue is traceable. Because at Simian, our mission is to provide true certification and raise the bar in scaffolding safety and quality.